Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to see yet another video. I want to thank everyone who supported us in this journey, and can you believe it's July? So this is the Anna Elizabeth Diamond Spells collab, hosted by Poetspice, Jamie, and I'll link her along with all the ladies that are participating. So in this collab we are to use any Anna Griffin, any excuse me, Elizabeth Crafts, diamond press products, or any spellbinded products, or you can use a combination of any of those names, and we make a project post here, and this is posted every second Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern time. So, and there will be a hashtag down below where you can use any of your stash and post, and let's see what you create, because I'm sure you have one of those names. So for this month I use some Elizabeth Crafts items, dies, and this particular one, I love this one, and this is it says Friends. It's a nice size. It's about 4 inches, and you can see here, so I use that die. And this is also Elizabeth Craft. This is from the Art Journal line, and I use these flowers. I love floral prints and floral dies designs, so I use those. And I also use these legal pads, and these are found at the Dollar Tree, and I cut these in half, and I followed the tutorial by Posh lady, and I will link that video so you can go over and make it yourself. It's a cute idea, and you cut these in half and you'll have 2 sets of 2 pads to use. So these are the items that I created, and they're virtually the same. So here's the first, and this paper is just some gingham paper I had in my stash, and I had to cut off the S and modify the F so it would fit on the front. So it says Friend, and you can see where I cut the dies in white cardstock and gold, and layered the flower. I was trying to keep this flat. So here it is, and it just opens this way, and here's the notebook. And you can see, now you can, if you like, take that cardboard out, but I just left it. You can do either way. And it's covered so you don't see the edge here. And you can add a pocket here, which I might do before I gift it. So that's the first one, and here's the back. And it's super cute. This measures about 4 inches, about 8. So it'll fit in your bag to take with you. And so here's the second one, a different color gingham. And the same premise, the Friend here, the die cuts in gold and white cardstock. And again, I wanted to keep it flat because, you know, if you put it in your bag, I didn't want too much dimension to it. And it opens this way. And that's the inside. And I may add a pocket, I think I will, to these. And that's how it looks. I love how these came out. This is a cute idea. It would be really cute for a craft fair or something like that. But I love how it came out and was really easy. You know, her tutorials are really easy anyway. And so that's my project. So be sure you check out all the ladies. Again, make sure you go over and support them. I can't wait to see what they created for July. I can't believe we're in July already. Crazy. But it's hot enough here, especially here where I live. So this is all I have today. Let me know what you think of it, and I look forward to seeing what you create. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.